Dude. What happened to our tent?
Dude, I don't even know. Dude, did you hear that? Dude, did you hear that?
Get down.
Dude, what is it?
Is it a deer?
Is it?
What in the world is that?
Dude,
Okay, I'm freaked out right now.
Dude,
I am about to pee my pants.
I think it's a dinosaur, dude.
A dinosaur?
A dinosaur. I read about this in a video documentary. Dude, they smell fear, so. Dude.
Get down.
I think it spotted us. Dude. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, you're gone.
Dude, didn't see us.
I'm so sorry, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God! No! Oh my gosh!
Dude, go! Dude. Oh my gosh, let's go. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't think we can get over the ravine.
What?
Dude, I think we're safe.
I'm scared of the water.
Dude. Oh my gosh, dude. I think we're safe. What's it? I don't know. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!